Welcome to Tech Leveler, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to filter unknown messages on your iPhone. So let's say you get many of unknown messages from different people and you don't necessarily know them. You can filter these away into a separate folder on your iPhone. And to show you a real example of that, let's open up the Messages app here. As you can see, when you're opening the Messages app, all your messages will be listed in this single folder here, classed as the Messages folder. However, if you have lots of messages of different people and people you do not know and you want to filter them, we can do that, but first we've got to head over to the iPhone settings. So let's do that here. Now we're in the main iPhone settings. Let's scroll all the way down until we get to the Messages app, and let's click into that. Now within the Messages app section, you want to scroll all the way down until you get to this Messages filtering section, and you can see here we have one option available: filter unknown senders. And underneath it gives you a message, what it's about: sort messages from people who are not in your contacts into a separate list. So let's toggle this on, and then let's head back over to the Messages app. Now we're back in the Messages app. As you can see here at the top left hand corner, you can see this filters section here. So let's click on the filters, and then we'll be greeted with all these different filters: all messages, known senders, unknown senders, and unread messages. So if you don't want to be bothered with people you don't know or unknown senders, then you can stay in the known senders section, and then all the unknown senders, so this is people who are in your contacts or you haven't messaged, will be sent to the unknown senders list, and you can just check this every now and again. Hope this helps you out. If it does, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.